So we're at the launch party of this contest. Now this is going to happen on the 15th in the national capital, and today is just the launch. We have a number of dignitaries who are supposed to come. So let's find out who all are set for this party. So right now I have with me the editor and publisher of this magazine. Ma'am, just tell us something about this contest and how do you go about selecting candidates?
Okay. We have lot of entries, but we are selecting 30 contestants for grand finale. The main criteria is that their height, their look, and their IQ, communication. Through this is the basic things. Then we select. Then we keep them for 5 days with us. Then we groom according to the pageant.
Okay. And on the 15th, when the finale will happen, what should we expect? What is in store for the audience?
15 is really, you will see lot of things, because when contestants comes to us on audition, when they go for grand finale, they're totally different personality. We bring out best out of them. So there will be glamour, there will be lot of things, but with this we are spreading an awareness among the young people how to respect a woman, how to bring our society a better world, and there are a lot of things are happening surrounding us for the women. So basically the cause to spread an awareness about for the women.
So with me now, I have veteran Bollywood actor Mr. Mukesh Tyagi, who's come all the way from Mumbai to take part in the launch party of this magazine. Sir, so finale will happen on the 15th. What are your expectations and how do you feel about this event?
You see, I've always maintained Delhi is a hub of very, very handsome and gorgeous looking women. Delhi, I think if you see, the North Indians have dominated the Bollywood. I'm from North India, but if you see Kareena Kapoor, you have all sorts of actors, they are dominating Bollywood today. The glam world is dominated by... So I'm very happy that G-Town magazine has taken such a lovely initiative of organizing Mr. Delhi. और मुझे लगता है कि ये एक फाउंटेन हेड बन जाएगा. It will become a source to create a hype of a handsomeness, and it might also break into the Bollywood, and I would wish that Delhi becomes #1 in creating the best looking men on this earth.
Well, support यही कि हम आगे इससे ज़्यादा तो support नहीं दे पाएंगे. I can give my suggestions and I can give my time to promote the cause. That's all I can say.
तो ये फर्स्ट टाइम बॉयज़ के लिए यहाँ पे रखा गया है, गर्ल्स के लिए हर बार यहाँ पे रखा गया है गर्ल्स के लिए, तो आज बॉयज़ के लिए रखा गया है. तो बॉयज़ जिस तरह से यहाँ परफॉर्म करेंगे तो क्या कुछ यहाँ देखने को मिलेगा, आपकी तरफ से क्या कुछ अलग यहाँ देखने को मिल रहा है?
I would not really say much because I have not seen it, but whatever it is, I'm sure that it will be a very lovely show. And I think this is a contest for women, why not men? Because men are also equal right in being well groomed and well presented, and then competition is the best. That is the best thing. They realize that there's something special about the competition.
तो कंपटीशन से क्या उम्मीद रखते हैं कि यहाँ से जिस तरह से आज ये कदम इन्होंने पहली बार इतना अच्छा उठाया, महिलाओं को लेकर उठाया, तो कितना कुछ महिलाओं के लिए यहाँ पर इस कंपटीशन से फ़र्क आएगा, क्या कुछ सोच में बदलाव आएगा लोगों की?
Not very sure, that we'll see after the competition. I can tell you, ये तो नहीं बता पाएंगे क्या होने वाला है. ये बता सकते हैं कि क्या होगा. उनकी थिंकिंग में सोचेंगे. The way we have contests for women, there's also a contest for men. I always feel, why not men? Why only women? I think beauty contest of women is more famous than men, which is wrong. I think there should be women and men. Why not?
So we had a word with Shehnaz Hussain, we had a word with other people who are here. They're all visibly excited. On the 15th, we'll find out who wins this beauty pageant competition. With camera person Rahul, Rituraj, Voice of People.